Hey guys, Dan Holland here from Solution Toolbox. Welcome back. This is our 7th video in our series of creating a website from start to finish using Site Builder. In the last video we created the logo area and we also did the menu. So I would like to continue with the content. I'm going to move down here and do the image rotator. So when I designed this template, my thoughts were this area here where this image is at, I'd have a couple different images and I like to rotate them in and out. That way I can deliver more content in a smaller space to my users. And Site Builder has a module built in that can do this functionality for you, so you don't have to go out and download some jQuery or write your own JavaScript. So let me show you how to do that. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to open up that zone. So if I go up here to Manage Zones and Manage Custom Zones, I believe we called that zone the rotator when we created the layout. So I'm going to click on HTML here, and we should have a blank slate. So the first thing I'm going to do is up here is my modules, and these modules are pre-built applications, if you will, that can run inside of your website. So I'm going to scroll over, and I should see the image rotator. So I'm going to grab that guy and bring him down here. Now the image rotators work a lot like the placeholders in the layout. So if I go ahead and click on this, I can either select Edit Module or I can right click and say Edit Module. This should open up a little configuration wizard for us so we can configure this image rotator. So the first thing I need to do is going to ask me which image rotator I want to use. So obviously I don't have any yet, so I'm going to create a new one. And I'll give it a name here. We'll call this Homepage Rotator. Alright, so click Create there. And then I should be able to upload some images. Now I already created two right off the bat for this example, but I'm going to click on the Upload Image button here. We get the same Silverlight upload that we saw earlier in the series. So I'm going to click on Select Files. And let's see here. Navigate to my pictures. So I'm going to grab these two, select Open, upload these guys. Alright. Go ahead and close that, and if I refresh my screen here, I should see my two images. Great. So now I'm going to come over here to the Settings tab. We've got a couple things that we can set, but I'm mainly interested in the size. So the width was going to be the main center area, which was 976 pixels. And the height of this area was 339 pixels. Okay, so the next thing I can set, do you want it in a random order? Sure. Do I want to show the thumbnails? Not really. The next thing we can pick is the image transition. This is how the images go from one to the next. So you can kind of play around here with the different options. I think I'm just going to go with a scroll right option. Up here you can also adjust the speed. This is just how fast the images transition. You can also set the pause, how long they pause for between each one. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave those as is. I'm going to hit Save Settings here. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Close here. And then I'm going to save this content page. And then we should be all set with that area.